Hello, my beautiful friends, and welcome back to Anna Bendy, or welcome if you're new to the channel. If your hips feel a little tight, feel a little stiff, feel like you can't really freely move them, this video is for you. We're gonna go through a nice, gentle hip opening routine for beginners and for intermediates. All you need is a mat and your beautiful self. Let's get into it. We're gonna start with opening our hips by circling our hips around. Make sure to keep your back neutral spine, and tucking your hips in. Focus on hinging your hips back, keeping your back neutral. Do not overarch or do not tuck your hips too much in. Make sure your knees are aligned with your feet. When performing this next exercise, focus on tucking your hips in as much as possible to feel the stretch in your hip flexors. Try to relax your spine, focus on lengthening your hamstrings and keeping your knees as straight as possible. Feel free to use yoga blocks to support yourself in this position. Focus on pushing your knees out with your elbows as much as possible. And as we start shifting ourselves right to left, we're going to focus on keeping our heels down without elevating them. Feel free to use yoga blocks for this stretch as well. Our goal is to keep our heel down on the floor of the straight leg and bent leg. As we are performing this next exercise, go ahead and focus on keeping your hips squared and focus on keeping your core as engaged as possible. In this next stretch, we are focusing on our adductor and also lengthening our hamstring. Focus on tucking your hips in and sinking as deep as you can without feeling pinchy pain in your hip joint. For the next one, we're trying to focus on keeping our spine neutral and sinking as deep as we can without twisting our chest away and making sure our chest is facing forward. Keep all these notes we talked about in mind as you're transitioning to the other side. For this next stretch, we're focusing on getting our knees as close to the ground as possible while driving from the hip joint. Keep your chest facing forward without much of a twist. when reaching forward in the butterfly stretch, making sure we're keeping our chest open, facing forward, and not over rounding our back. Our lower back is the main driver of this exercise. We're trying to engage our lower back and our hip flexors by practicing anterior and posterior pelvic tilts. When rocking side to side, focus on keeping your chest and shoulders open and keeping both butt cheeks on the floor. If it is too challenging for you to reach your heels, feel free to press under your knees, so on your knee pits, trying to get our knees as close to the ground as possible without feeling any impingement in your hips. Three, two, one, and we're done. Great job, everyone. I'm so proud of you. And if you're new, I wanted to quickly remind you that I do have my Patreon account. This is the best way to support me and support the channel and show love. There I post more inspiration, tips, one-on-one guidance, and direct communication with me. I also have my weekly newsletter where every week in your inbox you receive an Bendis tip where we're discussing a specific topic or going deeper into a specific problem, and I'm giving you steps how to fix it and better your flexibility. And we are done. Thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much for stretching with me today. It's my pleasure, and I'm very grateful for each and every one. If this video was helpful, please share it with somebody who might need this routine as well. Give this video a like, subscribe to my channel, and follow me on Instagram for more helpful tips over there. Also, if you don't want to miss out on any updates that I have about an Unlock Your Flexibility course that I'm building, I also have a wait list to not miss out on any updates and be the first one to know when it launches. I'll link all those things down below in my description, and I cannot wait to see you in the next video.